Okay, today I will be showing you how to create the spiral slide. Looking at your drawing, it does look like it could be a little confusing, but if you follow these simple steps, you should be able to create it. We're going to use the coil function, which we haven't seen yet. Other than that, it should be pretty simple for you. Go to Start 2D Sketch on your floor plane. Just like the tunnel slide, make sure we're always on one sketch. Okay, if you're on multiple sketches, then it won't work. So go to Circle in the center, click, and this should be 24, enter. Now directly on top of that circle, we're going to click and draw a 22-inch circle. Okay, so you'll have two circles on top of each other. Does not matter where these dimension lines are, as long as you have the correct size, and there's only two of them. Okay? Next, you're going to use your line tool. You're going from the outer left all the way to the outer right. So you're just cutting it in half. Next, you're going to take a point, place it to the left of these circles on that line, dimension the point to the outside, click. And this should be 8 inches. Next, you're going to take your line tool from that point we placed, straight down, make sure it's straight. It doesn't matter how long, but we'll just call it 8. Okay. Next, we click Trim, which is under your Sketch tab, and we are just trimming this line, and the middle line. Okay, so you should have a half a circle with a line out to the left. Then you finally click Finish Sketch, zoom out. And this is where we're going to use the Coil tool. It's under 3D Model, Coil. Click Coil. If this does not highlight in blue, make sure you select it, and then click this green line. Okay? If you notice, there's this green circle that's not closed that has kind of rotated around the line. This is going to be our coil of our slide. So we go to Coil Size. We need to change the type to Revolution and Height. The height, as it says to the right hand on your drawing, it says 132. And then we need to make sure we change the revolution. It's going to be about 3. Okay? So if you notice, kind of have this curvy line, click OK, and it will extrude to a spiral slide. Okay? Top, and then you come down, and then the bottom. Okay? Make sure you color it, save it as spiral slide, and you're good to go.